All right, in this video, you are going to see me complete the rest of this problem. So this is going to be how you check your answers. So we have already set up most of our problem here. We've split up our pan into 2/3 full, that's the brown, and then we split it up into a half of a section of the brownie pan that Mr. Williams is going to buy. So now we need to figure out how many sections is he actually getting, or how many pieces of brownie is he getting if he's getting a half of this 2/3 pan. So I'm going to highlight half of our pan because that's what Mr. Williams is buying. He's buying half the pan. So that highlighted section there is the half he's buying. And then the only parts of brownie that are in that section are pieces 2 and 3. Piece 1, there isn't brownie there. So he's really getting 2 of the sections in our brownie pan. And our pan is split up into 6 pieces total. So 1, 2 of our 6. So 1/2 of 2/3 is 2/6, or 1/2 times 2/3 equals 2/6. All right, let's move on to B. Again, we've got most of our problem completed here. I gave you one more step to do, so we will have to do a little bit more than we did in A. But we're trying to figure out if Serena buys 3/4 of a pan that is half full. So we have half of our pan of brownies split up into 4ths sections. And we know that Serena is buying 1, 2, 3 of our 4 sections. I'm going to go ahead and shade in what Serena is buying. She's buying 3/4 of the pan. Now we need to figure out how many pieces of brownie that actually is. There's 1, here's 2, and there's 3. Those pieces in the section she's buying do not exist. So we are going to put in our number sentence how many sections she's getting. But in order to do that, we need to know how many pieces our pan is broken into. So we've broken our pan into 8 brownies total. And now we're seeing that Serena is getting 1, 2, 3 of our pan. So our numerator will be 3, and our denominator will be 8, since the brownie pan is broken up into 8 different brownie pans. She can't get that 4th piece because she didn't buy that section of the pan. She bought 3/4 of the pan. So 3/4 of 1/2 is 3/8, or 3/4 times 1/2 equals 3/8. Now that you've checked your work for A and for B, you will go ahead and move on to C. Go ahead.